everybody, this is Emily from the NetZoom team, here to show you how to search NetZoom's device library for equipment shapes to model your data center. As data centers grow in size and complexity, there is a need for a comprehensive asset management solution to maintain an accurate record of data center assets across the entire enterprise and available inventory that can be deployed. Accurate modeling helps maintain the source of truth for the data center, provides comprehensive infrastructure management to the card, module, power ports, and data port level. NetZoom allows users to model their data center infrastructure using the NetZoom Device Library, the most up-to-date data center device library available, as it is populated with over 500,000 shapes from 5,500 hardware manufacturers. Today, we'll go over searching the device library in NetZoom and adding devices to your inventory. First, let's log into NetZoom. Enter your NetZoom application server URL in the web browser. Then enter your username and password. Now that we're logged in, we'll navigate to the New Inventory feature under the Inventory menu. This feature includes the Device Library Quick Action, and will allow us to search the library for devices and add them directly to our inventory. You can also add devices from the library into your models, or, in some instances, directly into the live data center. NetZoom Device Library equipment shapes are not just pretty pictures, but also extremely intelligent. NetZoom shapes and stencils distinguish themselves from ordinary images and stencils. NetZoom's equipment shapes are extremely detailed, true-to-life, scalable vector graphics that support multiple 2D and 3D views, and contain equipment slots, data ports, and power ports to match manufacturer specifications. NetZoom shapes also come with built-in manufacturer data. Click the Device Library Quick Action to launch the NetZoom search pane. As you can see, this has options for searching by keyword, and also searching by manufacturer, equipment type, product line, product number, and attributes. The Any Word search allows you to enter multiple search terms in the search bar and search for all of them at once. The All Word search will search for device names and descriptions that contain each word in the string. Let's search for PowerEdge servers by searching PowerEdge. Looks like that search wasn't specific enough and brought up over 300 results. When this happens, NetZoom will ask you to narrow your search results by selecting certain manufacturers to display. Check the manufacturers you want to display in your results and click the Continue button. You can raise or lower the limit on search results in the Enterprise Settings feature under the Administration menu. As you can see, our search results appear in the Results pane. We can also search for our devices using these drop-down lists. We'll use the same search, but this time instead we'll select Dell Computer as the manufacturer, we'll select Server as the equipment type, and we'll select PowerEdge as the product line. Click the Search button, and now we only see servers in that equipment line from the manufacturer Dell Computers. Let's select the PowerEdge R713. When you open it, you'll see that not only are the front and rear view available for a fully configured server, but also the blank view. If your device has a custom configuration, you can add the blank view and customize it as needed. For more information on that, see our Configured Models video. When you select a device, you'll notice the properties of that selected device, along with the device preview, appear in the rightmost pane. To add this device to our inventory, click and drag it from the Results pane to the inventory store you want to add it to. We'll add it to the Demo server group for now, since we're doing a demonstration. When you add it to the group, the Add Device form will pop up. Enter the group's name if you want to create a new group, and then enter the name for the device you want to add. You can also change the description of the device at this time. Finally, select a quantity you want to add. You can add as many devices as you want at any given time, but we'll stick with one for now. Click the Save button when you're finished. As you can see, the device has been added to our inventory. Don't forget to approve your devices. You can do that by right-clicking and clicking the Approve button. That covers the basics of interacting with NetZoom's device library. Please check out our other videos for more information on how to use the NetZoom application. And if you're interested in trying out NetZoom for your own data center, visit netzoom.com to schedule a free demo.